Hello children, today we will learn letter writing. Now, can you tell me why do we write letters? We write letters to communicate with each other. So, these letters can be formal and informal. The mode of communication, letter is a mode of communication. It is the written mode of communication. So, letter writing can be done formally or informally. Or you can say letters are of two types, formal letters, informal letters. Now, what are formal letters? Applications, letters to officials, higher authorities, editor, etc. When these type of letters are written, they are called formal letters. What are informal letters? Letters written to friends, relatives, etc. So, when you write a formal letter, normally you don't know the person whom you are writing the letter. But when we write informal letters, we write the letters to our friends, to our relatives. We know them. Okay? So, second point is, when you're writing a formal letter, you should be clear and precise. Precise means short. Your letter should not be very long. Because if you're writing to some higher authorities, they cannot read the entire letter when you're writing a very big letter. Okay? But when you write a letter to your friends or relatives, you can be clear or your letter can be longer. Now, in formal letters, your tone should be polite and formal. So, the language which we choose should be formal. You sign with your full name. Now, when you sign or when you put the signature, then you have to use the full name in formal letters. But you can use just your first name in signature in informal letters. So I hope the difference between formal and informal is clear. I would also say, just see what the name suggests. Formal. You have to be formal when you're writing formal letters because it is written to officials, higher authorities, editor, etc. But when you write informal, your mode of writing can be informal because you're writing informal letter to your friends, relatives, etc. So children, to understand how to write the formal letter, first we should know the format of the letter. If the format is clear, then we can write the letter. So we are doing formal letter applications. See the format. Now children, suppose I ask you to write an application to the principal of your school for taking leave. Now when you are writing to the principal of your school, you should be very much clear that she knows who is writing the letter. He or she knows who is writing the letter. So here in this format, I have not given the sender's address. You have to understand that. Suppose I ask you to write a letter to the editor. Here you don't know the editor. An editor does not know you. In that case, you will write the sender's address, that is your address also. But here I am giving this format for the application which you are writing to your principal. So here you will not write your address. So let's understand the format. The format is, the first thing which you have to write is the designation and address of the receiver. So, who is the receiver? The person whom you are writing this letter to. Here, the receiver is the principal, ABC School, Jaipur. Here, your school name will come. I have just given ABC School. Number 2 is date. So, here you can see how to write the date. 17th September 2020. Now children, you will see everything is coming on the left hand side. So you have to write everything on the left hand side. No comma, no full stops will come. 17th September 2020. September, you can write the full word also and you can write it like this also. Both are correct. The third thing is the subject. Now, what is the reason? What is subject here? Not English, Hindi, Math. Subject is the reason for writing this application. So, here we have written, you can see in this format, I have given this. This is the format and this is the letter which you are writing. So, you can see in this letter, subject is application for leave. So, I hope subject is clear to you. Number 4 is salutation. Salutation is respected ma'am or respected sir. It depends. If your principal is a female, you will write respected ma'am. If it is male, then you will write respected sir. Then will come the body of the letter. You can see, children, whenever you write the body of the letter, I would suggest you to read the question properly, because half of your answer you will get from the question only. What is the reason? Why you are taking leave? Maybe you are not well, or you are going to your cousin's marriage in some other town, or you have been selected for something, you can say a match or a debate, etc., and you have to go to some other town, etc. So the body totally depends on the question. So you have to read the question which is given to you very, very carefully. Now, number 6 is subscription. Subscription is yours obediently. We also called it closing. Here we are closing our letter. So, yours obediently. Now, signature. Signature means your full name. It doesn't mean just to write A or S or any alphabet. Signature here means when you're writing an application, it should be your full name with your class. So, I'm repeating the format. Number 1, designation and address of the receiver. Number 2, date. Number 3, subject. Number 4, salutation. Number 5, body. Number 6, subscription. And number 7 is signature. So children, read this question. Write an application to the principal asking for leave as you have to go out of station. Now I have already taught you the format. Using that format, we are writing this formal letter. So here, the principal, ABC school. Here I have written ABC school, but here you have to write your school's name, Jaipur. You have to write the name and the address of your school. Then comes the date, 17th September 2020. Subject, application for leave. Then comes the salutation, respected ma'am or sir. Now, the body of the letter. I told you whenever you are writing the body of the letter, read the question very carefully. Here you are writing the application for leave as you have to go out of station. So here the body of the letter is, I wish to inform you that I am participating in a music fest at Goa with my father. We have to perform there for 3 days. It is a great opportunity for me. I request you to grant me leave for 5 days from 18th September 2020 to 22nd September 2020. Now children, in body you will see that in the first paragraph I have written the important information, and in the second paragraph I am requesting for leave, to grant me leave. So you have to change your paragraph when you are mentioning the dates. Okay? Then your closing, thank you, yours faithfully, XYZ. I have written here XYZ. Here you have to write your full name in signature. Signature doesn't mean your signature. Signature here means full name. And then the class 5A, whichever class you are in. So, I hope this application is clear to you. Okay children, now see this application. So, write an application to the librarian of your school to issue you a new library card as you have lost your card. So you have to write an application to the librarian of your school. Now, a quick reminder. What did I tell you in the beginning when I was explaining the format? Everything will come on left hand side. Okay? I am quickly telling you before we do this application. We will write everything on the left hand side. Now, in this application, wherever you see a gap, see here, after Jaipur you can see a gap. That means you have to leave a line. After date again a gap, you have to leave line here also. Then subject, after subject you have to leave a line. Then salutation, again after salutation you have to leave a line. Now the body of the letter, you have to divide the body of the letter into 2 paragraphs. You can see here the gap which shows that here you have changed the paragraph. This is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2. And then comes your closing and the signature. So I am repeating the question and then we will do the application. Question is, write an application to the librarian of your school to issue you a new library card as you have lost your card. So, we write the designation first and then the address. Designation here is the librarian. In our previous application, the designation was the principal. Here, the librarian, ABC school. Children, you will not write ABC school. You have to write your school's name. Whatever school it is, you have to write your school name and then the address. Here I have written Jaipur. You can write Delhi, Bombay, whatever. Then the date, 21st September 2020. Subject, loss of library card. Everything is mentioned in the question. You have to be very careful while reading the question. Now, salutation, respected ma'am. You can also write respected sir. It depends who is your librarian. So let's begin the letter. I am extremely sorry to inform that I have lost my library card somewhere. I might have lost it while boarding my school bus. Now here paragraph changed. I request you to issue a new library card. I assure you that I will be more alert in future. I apologize once again for the same. Here there is a gap, that means you have to leave a line. Thank you. Yours faithfully, XYZ, class 5A. Here XYZ, you will not write XYZ, you will write your full name. So I hope children, formal letters are clear to you. Thank you.